A holy occasion Prayagraj turned into a crying curse, adding to India's tragic history of religious disasters. At least 30 people were killed and 60 injured in a pre-dawn stampede at Mahakumbh as millions of pilgrims arrived on Mauni Amavasya, a very auspicious day of the Hindu festival. Devotees gathered in the pre-dawn dark, jostling for space to take a dip in Sangam, a confluence of three holy rivers Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Hindus believe taking a dip at Sangam absolves them of their sins and grants them salvation from the cycle of birth and death. Blaring sirens of ambulances and police vehicles rushing to the Sangam pierced through the religious chants echoing from loudspeakers across the Mahakumbh area. Police set barricades gave way under the pressure of the jostling. Many fell down and were crushed. People sleeping on the ground were run over. Sudden surge of pilgrims at the Sangam, driven by the desire to take the holy dip at 3 a.m., the start of the auspicious hour, triggered the fatal stampede. Tragic, but in India, stampedes leading to multiple casualties at religious events isn't unusual. July 2024, Hathras. 120 people, mostly women and children, were crushed to death when a stampede broke out at a prayer meeting organized by a self-styled godman, Bhole Baba. January 2022, Katra. 12 people were killed in a stampede at the iconic Mata Vaishno Devi shrine, triggered by a heavy rush of devotees. July 2015, Rajamundry. 27 pilgrims died in a stampede on the banks of the Godavari River, where thousands had gathered on the opening day of Pushkaram festival. October 2014, Patna. A stampede at Gandhi Maidan shortly after the Shera celebrations ended claimed 32 lives. October 2013, Datia. 115 people were trampled to death in a stampede during Navratri festivities near Ratnagar temple, triggered by rumors that a river bridge the devotees were crossing was about to collapse. February 10, 2013, Prayagraj. As Kumbh pilgrims attempted to leave after their holy dip, the railway station's footbridge became dangerously overcrowded. A sudden jostle triggered a stampede, sending people tumbling down the stairs. 36 people were crushed in the panic. November 2012, Patna. 20 lives were lost after a makeshift bridge caved in, triggering a stampede during the Chhat Puja on the banks of Ganga River. November 2011, Haridwar. 20 people were killed in a stampede on the bank of River Ganga. January 2011, Idukki. 104 died in a stampede when a jeep crashed into homebound pilgrims. March 2010, Pratapgarh. 63 lives were lost in a stampede at Ram Janaki temple as devotees gathered to collect free clothes and food from self-styled godman Kripalu Maharaj. September 30, 2008, Jodhpur. A stampede triggered by rumors of a bomb going off at Chamunda Devi temple claimed 250 lives. August 2008, Bilaspur. 162 people were killed in a stampede triggered by rumors of rock slides at Naina Devi temple. January 2005, Satara. 340 devotees were trampled to death during an annual pilgrimage at Mandhar Devi temple in a stampede when many fell down on the steps made slippery by devotees breaking coconuts. August 2003, Nasik. 39 lives were lost in a stampede during the holy bath at Kumbh. The Mahakumbh stampede sparked a rush of politicians spinning the blame on mismanagement and security lapses.
सरकार जो प्रबंध उन्होंने करे हैं उसको एक बार फिर से रिव्यू कर उसे और बेहतर करे ताकि इस प्रकार की कोई भी घटना फिर ना हो।
क्राउड अगर आता है, क्योंकि आप बहुत विज्ञापन कर रहे हो, प्रोपेगेंडा चल रहा है, उसका 20% भी अपने क्राउड मैनेजमेंट में किया होता और जितना ध्यान अपने वीवीआईपीज के लिए रखते हैं उतना अगर आम जनों के लिए रहता तो शायद उन घरों में जहां ये हादसे हुए वो हादसे नहीं होते।
मैं मानता हूँ ये प्रशासन ने की हुई हत्या है। कुंभ के व्यवस्था में ये जो चूक हुई है इसके लिए कौन जिम्मेदार? 10,000 करोड़ से ज्यादा पैसा खर्च हुआ है, 10,000 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा। कहाँ गया पैसा? व्यवस्था अगर होती तो ये लोग नहीं मर जाते।
Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has been tom-tomming security arrangements at Mahakumbh, which was clearly found wanting, and ordered a judicial inquiry.
ये सभी घटनाएं मर्माहत करने वाली भी हैं और एक सबक भी है। लेकिन हादसे के तह में भी जाने की आवश्यकता है और इसी दिशा से सरकार ने भी तय किया है कि हम इसकी एक जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी भी करेंगे।
Will the Mahakumbh stampede serve as a wake-up call before another religious congregation turns into a crime curse?